Hello there, and welcome to Comparing Poems. So let's just read this together. So writing about poetry for either coursework or for exams will allow you to show your ability to compare and contrast different texts. So poems are usually grouped by the author, the theme, or some aspect of poetic technique. So when studying work by the same author, remember to look out for consistent themes across poems, particular points of view the poet adopts, typical subject matter, and also poetic techniques and the poet favors. For instance, Seamus Heaney is an Irish poet who frequently writes about nature. His poems are often autobiographical, and some are tinged with nostalgia. He uses a variety of verse forms, but his language is usually simple and direct. If you're looking at poems that have been grouped by theme, remember to look out for the following. So similarities in the approach the authors have taken to the theme, differences between the authors' approaches, similarities and differences in the way that authors have used language to express their ideas, and similarities and differences in the way that authors have used poetic techniques. So choosing poems. So if you are writing about poetry, you will have a wide range of poems to choose from, but most exam questions give you the name of at least one poem and ask you to choose another similar poem. It is very important to choose the right poem at this stage, and you are likely to have to spend some time in your exam preparing classes and grouping poems together by subject matter, themes, and techniques. And you should ask yourself the following questions. Does my second poem have enough in common with the first? Are there enough significant differences? If the poems have little in common, your essay will be difficult to write. If the poems are too similar, your essay will probably be rather flat and uninteresting. So it's good to get the variety of different poems so you can then compare and contrast seemingly easily as well. Okay, so good luck with this particular task, and we will review this in our next class. Thank you.